My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Kia Sportage. This vehicle has done just over 79,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control. We also have automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can see that we have climate control as a feature, and we can get quick access to radio, media, Bluetooth, and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.